A compound microscope is an optical device used to see magnified images of tiny objects. It contains two convex lenses of short focal length arranged coaxially at the ends of two sliding metal tubes. Convex lens, which is positioned near the object, is known as objective and it is having small aperture. Convex lens, which is positioned near the eye, is known as eyepiece and it is having larger aperture. First case is image formed at the least distance of distinct vision. Object is placed at a distance larger than the focal length of the objective. Then the first ray from the object incident on the objective lens as parallel to the principal axis and hence passing through the focus. The second ray passing through the optic center, hence undeviated. Since these two rays are converging in nature, a real inverted and magnified image is formed on the other side of the lens. The separation between two lenses is so adjusted that the image lies within the focal length of the eyepiece. This image acts as an object for the eyepiece, which acts like a simple microscope. Then first ray from this object incident on the eyepiece lens as parallel to the principal axis and hence passing through the focus. The second ray passing through the optic center of the lens and hence undeviated. Since these two rays are diverging in nature, a virtual, erect and magnified image is formed on the same side of its object at least distance of distinct vision. The angle subtended by the image at least distance of distinct vision at the eye is beta, and angle subtended by the object at least distance of distinct vision at the eye is alpha. Then magnifying power is defined as the ratio of angle subtended by the image at least distance of distinct vision at the eye to the angle subtended by the object at least distance of distinct vision at the eye. That is, magnifying power m equals beta divided by alpha. At small angle, it becomes tan beta divided by tan alpha, which is h dash divided by ue divided by h divided by ve equals h dash divided by h into ve divided by ue. But we know h dash by h is v by u. For objective lens, it is VO divided by UO. So M equals VO divided by UO into VE into 1 by UE. Use lens formula for the eyepiece lens. Then 1 by UE equals 1 by VE minus 1 by FE. Hence M equals VO divided by UO into VE into 1 by VE minus 1 by FE, which equals VO divided by UO into 1 minus VE divided by FE. Since image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, VE equals minus D. So M equals VO divided by UO into 1 minus D by FE, which equals VO divided by UO into 1 plus D by FE. When the actual object approaches the focus of objective, then its image approaches to eyepiece lens. So UO approximately equals minus FO, then VO approximately equals distance between the lenses L. So M equals L divided by minus FO into 1 plus D by FE, or M equals minus L divided by FO into 1 plus D by FE.